Hello guys, Desarder here, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox some Chinese things that I bought from a Chinese shop that gonna upgrade the channel mainly. That's what I remember. So let's start the unboxing. As you can see, there are all of these things. So let's get them open with a knife, and let's see the first thing, this big one. I think I know what it is, but let's gonna see, guys. Okay. Okay, they had many things in one packet. First, I have a light for YouTube, as you can see here. This is one of the packages of upgrade. So let's open it and see it. So I open it, guys. It's like this. Here should be the light, a LED light. It's square, I think. Oh, not get things thrown down. So here it is. This is the light, and as I can see, here has a stand and mechanism of the stand. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna do a video of room upgrade because I have many things. So let's put that in next to me. Also in the bag were some cases for my phone. Samsung S25 Ultra. Both two cases. One is like, I don't know if you can see the color. It's like green, something like that, blue to green, and another one. This is blue. Comparison with the black in my phone and the new. So also two new cases, very nice. Also some car accessories, very small things. I didn't even remember that I bought those. They are those things that cost 1-2 euros to make up the gap on the app when you order from Chinese shops. So let's move to the next. So next thing, it is mic stand. Yes, I think, guys, I need a stand for the microphone because I can see that if I go away, like, I'm not gonna sound the same if I speak from here and from here. So I bought this stand. Chinese, of course, because we are not rich, because we spend all the money on the games. Also another video about that is gonna come out. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be part of the video that we're gonna upgrade the room because I have many upgrades. So we're gonna be more professional than ever. And the last thing is a stand for my third screen of my another PC, because if you remember from my room tour is next to me, but it wasn't not good there, so I will gonna put it up. So let me show you. This screen, guys, gonna go up here from my screen here. Sorry if this not as good as should be, but I'm trying my best. I know that this video is very short, but this is an upgrade, very big upgrade for the channel, that without it I didn't know if I could continue make videos, because I don't like the videos when they don't look good. Okay, that I said it. Thank you guys, have a nice evening, goodbye.